Hello, I'm going to show you how to use filters on the Memory tab of C++ Memory Validator. We're going to use filters to remove data using the folder name the files are in. So first of all, we need to launch the example application. So I'm going to click on the relaunch icon. And pretty soon the example application is launched. This example application leaks a lot of memory on startup, so I'm just going to close it and we'll work with the leaked data. We're going to filter data based on whether it's in the main program directory or not. So select an item, right click, local, custom filter. Click match using directory and choose the directory name. So in this case it's the program files, software verification, memory validator, MVexample directory, and click OK. Anything that's in the MVexample directory is now filtered out of the display, so we don't see them. What we can now see is a few allocations that have occurred in MFC source files. So we've got WinFrame, FC critical section, Windows core, strcore, that's the CString class. If we expand this, you can actually see this is called from InitInstance. And there we've got some strings created. And then if I expand this, we've got the source code for MFC. So if I now want to just see only the allocations that happened in the main source directory and ignore the MFC ones, well, that's pretty easy to do. We can just flip the filter, we can make it inverted. So I click the filter button to display the filter manager, double click to display the filter, and invert the filter. Click OK, and click OK on the filter manager to make the manager go away. And now we only see the data that's been allocated in the main source directory. So they have it. That's quick and easy, simple filtering using directory name. Thank you very much.